Help me share the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. And it helps me share a key highlight of my testimony of the restored gospel of Jesus Christ, by introducing the Book of Mormon, another testament of Jesus Christ, in a unique and personal way that no one else has ever considered. This is a newsworthy discovery that has become a global missionary opportunity, and part of Gathering Israel, the greatest undertaking on the earth at this time. This personal discovery came after years of diligent individual scripture study. It rivals the significance of Columbus finding the New World. It needs to be shared. See Alma, chapter 26, verse 22. And Doctrine and Covenants, section 1, verse 23. And Doctrine and Covenants, section 89, verse 19. Thank you.